going free at the top of the zone. Skating in, getting a shot on net and scoring. Spokane, Filip Kral makes it 1-0 Chiefs. Skating in, getting a shot on net and scoring. Spokane, Filip Kral. Helgeson racing more into the corner. Net. Seattle changing up. Spokane, top of the zone, Niles. Niles looking to come down the right wing, crisscrossing with Strand across us. The shot tipped in. It was flubbed by Andrusiak, but somehow it skittered its way through traffic, and I think it hit a Spokane stick or skate and just squeezed inside. Crossing with Strand across us. The shot tipped in. And back on side, Elenick. Top of the zone, now feed it blue line. Reed across to Kral, fires shot tipped in front by Woods, and Spokane with a power play goal has regained the lead at 2-1. That was just a terrific tip in front by Woods. Blue line, Reed across to Kral, fires shot tipped in front by Woods, and Spokane. Helgeson turning to get it behind his own net, driven in the Vulcan in front, Andrusiak shoots, and he will score! He is in fuego! Zack Andrusiak, second of the night, and his team leading 33rd of the season. Vulcan in front, Andrusiak shoots, and he will...
Dishwasher.
Well, you hear the noise. Thunderbirds have taken the lead. Austin Strand with his 22nd goal of the season.
Head down to Metropolitan Appliance and enter in person. You'll see all the best brands, helpful staff, and the best prices. Come see why Head down to Metropolitan Appliance and enter in person. You'll see all the best brands, helpful staff.
That was actually off the stick of Niles, who gets it back at the left circle. Fed it across the Strand. One-time shot, and he will score from his knees on a beautiful feed from Donovan Niles. It's 4-2 Seattle. The power play goal, his second of the night, 23rd of the season for Austin Strand. Off the stick of Niles, who gets it back at the left circle. Fed it across the Strand. One-time shot, and he will score from his knees. Gets it back at the left circle. Fed it across the Strand. One-time shot, and he will score. That'll do it. Seattle 4-2, your final tonight as they knock off the Spokane Chiefs. And one way or another, Seattle has clinched their playoff spot. Kamloops losing tonight did it, but Seattle taking care of business themselves by winning here over the Chiefs. 4-2 is your final. Couple of goals in the third period from Austin Strand, including the game winner. Picks up Seattle's 32nd win of the season. And Seattle will maintain their spot 8th in the conference, but will maintain just a 1-point deficit for that first wild card spot behind the Tri-City Americans. And the fans salute the T-Birds, who gather at center ice to celebrate their second straight win here before the accesso ShoWare Center faithful. Again, the T-Birds 4 and Spokane 2. Seattle now leads this season series 4-3